torture. That's what it's been like the last 3 months that I haven't been uploading. Yes, it's been a minute. No, I never quit. And yes, I'm back with an event in 2 days. But before I can hit that event, I've got to fix the issue that made my car break down not once, not twice, but 3 times at the last event I went to. Oh yeah, and it also got me kicked off track, which was just a great look. So the way I see it, there's only one way I can redeem myself, and that's by fixing my car, showing up to the very next event they have, and putting down as many heat laps as I can. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Now the reason my car keeps breaking down on track is because we don't have a bead on this boost pipe. The boost pressure is overcoming that hose clamp. Once it expands just a touch, it slips straight off because there's nothing to prevent it from doing that. Once you've got a bead there, even if there's a lot of pressure in the system and the hose clamp somehow expands just a touch, you have a thicker diameter piece of pipe that prevents that from going out. We basically just got to make it look like that. Thank fuck that's over. But it's actually not that bad. All I've got to do is get the TIG welder out, remember how to set it up, and then realize I don't have any stainless steel filler rods. We're going to weld these on there, and hopefully that'll get us the rib for the hose to not come back over. And just like that, we've got ourselves some lovely bird turd welds. How good. Now the only thing left to do is replace the existing worm screw clamps with slightly overkill T-bolt clamps, reinstall the intake pipe, and test it all out. So we've run out to Marula now. We're going to try and redeem ourselves for getting kicked off track last time. Got a bit of chalk around the intake pipe just so that if it moves at all, we can actually tell. Last time it was just kind of a guessing game until it popped off and caused me to break down on track 3 times. Yeah, buddy. She's back, mate.
You fixed that cooler pipe?
Yeah, took it off, TIG welded some bumps on there, so some good grooves.
Yeah.
And I got massive T-bolt clamps.
Yeah, no, it was just like, even the clamp was like...
By the end of the day, the clamp was fucked. Yeah. They're not pretty, but no one's seeing them. Looking good. I bashed some limmy on it, didn't spin out first lap, but seriously like hit some limmy and nothing so far. So maybe I'll do a quick check and just make sure that it is all good. Just have a quick look under the bag, but I might do it after one more lap so I give it a bit more room to move if it's going to move. So why'd you come in?
I got no more tires left.
You cooked your tires. And somebody's got some fancy wheels that he can't get off.
I don't want to talk about it. I guess this is shrunk in my glove box or something. It's gotten too hot. And now it's just a bit too small.
Good luck with that. Turning a piece of plastic with a rock. Love it.
Yeah, this is 3 grit. Like, come on. I mean, if I break it in one spot,
Yeah, then we can just stretch it over and
glue it back together. I'm having a wonderful day.
almost.
Almost. It must have shrunk in my glove box.
There's honestly no other explanation. It did work.
It's worked like 100 times.
There might be proper metal ones you buy.
They
It's
come
meant
with
to
a metal
be-
one, but you can't find them. There's a fucking 67.5mm socket.
Yeah, and this is like what? How old? These wheels?
30.
30 years.
Yeah, came on a 32 video. God damn.
Strong.
Yep.
Turn it over, get the other side, do it from the other angle. Because then if you just get it like a... Yeah, that'll do it. 'Cause you... Now just give it a bit of a flex, it should snap. Maybe I was wrong. I'm willing to admit that.
God damn. I have broken the tool to make the tool work. It was actually quite hard to break it.
Oh, look at that. Some more trackside ingenuity. Beautiful. Yeah, right.
She ain't passing Red Joe on these no more. So that I need a spacer. I haven't worn these wheels without spacers before.
You don't know if they fit?
Without spacers, I'm not sure. Oh, thank goodness. Oh no, it's chrome.
Oh no.
You got black paint?
Huh? Ooh, what's that? Well, I didn't crash and he didn't crash into me, but I thought that was a pretty good way to end the event. I just linked the entire top section of the track until right there, which I reckon is a pretty good way to finish this video of trying to redeem myself for having my car absolutely clap itself out and making myself look like a twat on track at the event before. So this is where we're calling it. I'll see you next week. Or the week after. Bye!